UDX Airwolf looks like the kind of bike people might fly in the future. A Czech company called UDX is turning this idea into reality with its electric hoverbike, the Airwolf, which has already completed test flights. It moves as quickly and smoothly as a hummingbird, accelerating from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3 seconds and reaching a top speed of 230 km per hour. Even experienced bikers would find the ride exciting. It can carry 2 people at the same time, making it even more impressive. The main drawback is its short flight time of about 25 minutes, but UDX engineers are working to improve the battery range. As the flight time increases, more people may be willing to pay its high price of around $384,000.
Wisk Aero Gen 6 is an advanced self-flying air taxi made to change how people travel in cities. It can carry 4 passengers along with their luggage, offering a fast and convenient way to move between city centers, airports, and nearby suburbs without getting stuck in traffic. The aircraft runs on electric power and has a lightweight design with 12 propellers and a wingspan of about 50 feet. It can cruise at around 120 knots and fly up to 90 miles on a single trip. Safety and comfort are key features, with backup systems, fewer moving parts, and a roomy cabin designed for passengers. Built in partnership with Boeing, the Gen 6 has already completed early flight tests and is working toward full approval for commercial use. Its ability to fly completely on its own, without a pilot on board, makes it one of the first air taxis bringing the future of urban air travel closer to everyday life. Archer Midnight is a next-generation electric air taxi designed for city travel. Built by Archer Aviation, it can carry 1 pilot and 4 passengers, offering fast and quiet flights that help avoid traffic on busy roads. The aircraft uses 12 electric propellers, including 6 that tilt, along with wings that allow it to take off vertically and then fly forward efficiently. It can reach speeds of up to 150 miles per hour and travel between 20 and 50 miles, making it suitable for short city trips, airport routes, and nearby suburban travel. Safety is a key focus, with advanced flight control systems, backup features, and a smooth shift from hovering to forward flight. It is also very quiet, producing about 45 decibels while cruising, and runs on zero-emission electric power, making it environmentally friendly. The Airage A868 is a modern flying taxi designed to change the way people travel in cities and between cities. Made by Airage, it uses hybrid engines for long-distance flights and high speeds, without needing a traditional runway. It can carry up to 6 passengers, making it great for group trips. The A868 can travel over 500 kilometers and reach speeds above 360 kilometers per hour. Inside, it offers a comfortable and spacious cabin for a smooth ride. Built in Guangzhou, China, the A868 is part of Airage's plan to make flying taxis common. UDX Airwolf looks like the kind of bike people might fly in the future. A Czech company called UDX is turning this idea into reality with its electric hoverbike, the Airwolf, which has already completed test flights. It moves as quickly and smoothly as a hummingbird, accelerating from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3 seconds and reaching a top speed of 230 km per hour. Even experienced bikers would find the ride exciting. It can carry 2 people at the same time, making it even more impressive. The main drawback is its short flight time of about 25 minutes, but UDX engineers are working to improve the battery range. As the flight time increases, more people may be willing to pay its high price of around $384,000. The Bellwether Volar is a new electric vertical takeoff aircraft that looks and feels like a real flying car thanks to its sleek, futuristic design. It represents a new step in urban air travel. One of its key features is a hidden propulsion system, which improves efficiency and gives it a smooth, clean look. Its wingless lifting body design helps it move easily and safely through crowded city areas. In terms of performance, the Volar can cruise at speeds of up to 135 miles per hour and fly at altitudes of about 914 meters, making it well suited for city travel. It is designed for personal use and on-demand air taxi services. The current version can carry 1 pilot and possibly 1 passenger, while future full-scale models are expected to carry 2 passengers, with later versions planned for up to 4 or 5. With its advanced technology and smart design, the the Bellwether Volar offers an exciting look at the future of flying cars and urban transportation. Direct Fly Alto Ing is a modern, all-metal, two-seat light sport aircraft made for fun flying and pilot training. It is powered by a 100-horsepower Rotax 912 ULS engine, giving it a top speed of about 161 miles per hour and a comfortable cruising speed of around 111 miles per hour. The aircraft can climb at up to 1,000 feet per minute, providing smooth and efficient takeoffs. Overall, the Direct Fly Alto Ing combines good performance, comfort, and reliability, making it a great choice for both training and recreational flying. The Pipistrel Sinus is a flexible two-seat ultralight motor glider that blends efficient powered flight with excellent gliding ability, making it ideal for pilots who enjoy both cruising and soaring. Embraer Eve Air is an electric flying taxi made for modern city and suburban travel. It is designed to be clean, quiet, and efficient, helping people move faster without pollution. Built by Embraer's innovation team, the aircraft can carry 4 passengers and a pilot. It uses a lift plus cruise design with 8 rotors to take off and land vertically, and fixed wings to fly forward smoothly and efficiently. Because it runs on electric power, it produces zero emissions and very low noise. The aircraft also includes multiple backup systems to improve safety, reliability, and comfort. Kitty Hawk Heaviside is a next-generation electric aircraft made for short trips in cities and nearby regions. Its small, lightweight design and modern electric system help cut travel time while reducing pollution. The aircraft uses 8 electric propellers on its wings and front stabilizers, allowing it to take off vertically and then smoothly shift into forward flight. It can reach speeds of about 180 miles per hour and fly close to 100 miles on a single charge, making it ideal for fast point-to-point travel. Heaviside uses very little energy per passenger, offering a cleaner option compared to cars and traditional airplanes. KleinVision's flying car, called the Aircar, is a dual-mode vehicle that can drive on roads and fly in the air. It became the first flying car to complete an intercity flight when it traveled from Nitra to Bratislava, Slovakia, in June 2021. The Aircar is a 2-seater with folding wings that let it switch from road mode to flight mode in under 3 minutes. It is powered by a 1.6-liter BMW engine producing 140 horsepower. In car mode, it has a range of about 1,000 kilometers, 621 miles, and a top speed of 200 kilometers per hour, 124 miles per hour. In flight mode, it can fly up to 1,000 kilometers, 621 miles, with a top speed of 160 kilometers per hour, 99 miles per hour. T-Cab Tech E20 is a modern flying taxi made to bring air travel into everyday city life. It was developed by T-Cab Tech in Shanghai and can carry up to 5 passengers. The aircraft is designed for short, efficient, and eco-friendly trips at low altitude. The E20 uses a tilt rotor system, which lets it take off and land vertically like a helicopter, then fly forward like an airplane. It can reach speeds of up to 320 km per hour and travel about 200 km on a single flight, making it ideal for city travel and short regional routes. Safety is a top priority. The E20 has multiple rotors, backup systems, and advanced flight controls to keep flights stable and reliable. Inside, the cabin is built for comfort, with large panoramic windows, comfortable seating, and smart systems that improve the passenger experience. The Drone Champions League made headlines in 2020 when it revealed the world's first manned racing drone. This unique aircraft takes drone technology to the next level. Unlike normal racing drones, it can carry a person and perform exciting stunts like rolls and loops, making it feel part sport and part live entertainment. What makes it stand out is its dual control system. It can be flown by a pilot sitting inside or controlled remotely, blending the feel of a drone with that of a real aircraft. With a price of over $1 million, it's not for everyday use. The makers see it as the future of drone racing, pushing the sport to be faster and more extreme. For now, it remains a high-end machine built for thrill seekers and adrenaline lovers. The SkyDrive SD05 is a small flying taxi designed for city travel. It is known for its smart design and strong potential for urban air mobility. The aircraft won a prestigious IF Design Award in the Professional Concept category, standing out among thousands of entries worldwide for its modern look and advanced engineering. Often called one of the most accessible flying cars, the SD-05 has a sleek body and uses 12 electric motors to provide smooth, quiet, and stable flights. Its compact size makes it suitable for crowded city areas, where it can be used for quick daily commutes, air taxi services, or emergency transport. SkyDrive has already shown the SD-05 in public test flights, proving its progress in both design and real-world operation. With its mix of attractive design and practical use, the SD-05 is seen as an important step toward the future of safe, efficient, and sustainable city air travel. The TX-0001 is a two-seater electric aircraft that can take off and land vertically. It is being developed by the Chinese company Xpeng Aero HT and is designed as an air taxi for short-distance urban travel. It uses 8 electric motors to power 8 propellers, giving it smooth and quiet flight. The aircraft has a sleek, futuristic look and is built from lightweight composite materials. Inside, the cabin is roomy enough for 2 passengers and their luggage. The TX-0001 can fly up to about 130 kilometers, 81 miles, and reach a top speed of around 253 kilometers per hour, 157 miles per hour. It is still in development, and its price has not been announced yet. Meet the 2C, a flying car that looks straight out of a superhero movie. This advanced vehicle combines powerful engineering with vertical flight, letting you drive on city roads or fly above them. Its sleek, futuristic design features foldable propellers, allowing it to switch from driving mode to flight mode in just seconds. Made for city travel, the 2C can take off vertically from small spaces, making it ideal for daily commutes or quick trips. Its carbon fiber body is lightweight but strong, and the electric motor makes it quiet and environmentally friendly. On the ground, it feels like a luxury car. In the air, it flies smoothly like a drone. With an estimated flight range of 250 to 300 kilometers and a speed designed for short regional trips, the 2C is not just an idea for the future. It's a big step toward a world where flying to work could be normal.